This 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Hyper-Lyte 2.3 RBHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, TV, water heater, microwave, slide-out, awning, air conditioning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Hyper-Lyte 2.3 RBHL is 4,770 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.